Good news, guys. So a lot of persons find it very difficult to, download the 1688 app because it has always been either from the Chrome browser or from a link sent to you. But nowadays, it is now a whole lot easier to download the 1688 app and to make use of it seamlessly. Okay, so I'm Blessing by name, and I'm talking to you from the city of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And on this channel, we'll be talking about importation in depth. We'll also be talking about money making and personal development. So let's go to my phone screen so that we'll explain better practically how you download this 1688 app on your phone.
All right, so I'm going to be showing us how to download 1688 on our Play Store for those that are making use of Android. And for those that are making use of iPhones, you can also download it from your Play Apple Store. Okay, it is there. Excuse me. So it's a whole lot easier now. You don't have to, look for a link. You don't have to go through a link to download your 1688 any longer. It is a whole lot easier now. So all you need to do is go to your Play Store. Okay, I've already downloaded mine, but let me just show you where it is on your Play Store for those that are making use of Android. This is an Android phone. So I click on my Play Store. Okay, so once it opens, you go to your search bar and type in 1688 or 1688 for Android. Okay, 1688. You see, 1688 app for Android English. You can see it's already an option for me, right? So I want to click on that. Good. So once it opens up, you can see that I've already installed it. As you can see here, it's already installed. It's already installed in my phone. But on your own phone, you will see install. Okay, so you go ahead, click on it, it will install. Right? So let's go ahead and open it. Let me show you how it is, how the interface and everything is. So I've gone ahead to open it. Let's click open. So once you click on it to open, you let it load. Okay. Good. Now this is the interface for our 1688. So it will open straight off to open. So once it opens, especially if your network is good, your network connection is good, it will open for you. Once it opens, this is the interface. Yours might be in Chinese. It might also be partly in English because they are really working. The system is the system is really working on making it easy for everybody to be able to make use of the app because they have realized that a lot of international buyers are buying from this app and they are not finding it very easy because of the language barrier. So for that reason, they're working on a lot of things to make it very easy for everybody to be able to come on the CCS8 app and shop easily. Okay. Now, if you see this one is, as you can see, a lot of it is in English. If you scroll up, you'll see that a lot of it is in English, right? Yours might be in partially English, partially Chinese, okay? But this is the interface. There we have the recommended goods. Here we have the recommended goods. Here we have the factory. Here we have the industrial goods, okay? So if you come on 1688, you want to buy anything, you just go ahead and click on this is the search bar here. So this is the search bar. This is where you type in what you want, your keyword. Okay, you type in the keyword of what you want, or you go through the search, you go through the camera where you can just click on it to now take you to your gallery where you can select anything you have already saved on your gallery. You select it and go ahead and search for it. Okay, so it's a whole lot easier now. So you can go ahead, for those that are making use of Android, go ahead and download it and look through. You'll see lots of beautiful things you want to buy. And then before you go ahead and buy, there are things you need to check. Please don't just go ahead and pay, please, if you don't want to, because I'm sure as you're looking at it, everything is looking beautiful, everything is looking, very catchy. Seeing it eight is the more you look, the less you see. So don't be fooled, okay? Before you pay anybody, before you begin to pay anybody, make sure you authenticate the supplier. Make sure the supplier is legit. Make sure it's a factory you're buying from. That's if you're buying in bulk, okay? Before you go ahead and make payment, don't make payment blindly, because if you do, or here is your case. There are a lot of things you need to check before you go ahead. So I've made a video for that. You just check on my videos, you'll see what to look out for before you can buy any product. Okay, so this is under the factory section. You can see a whole lot of items. Sorry, this is the factory section. You can see that factory is highlighted now. So this is where you get factory. Anything you type here, it will take you to the factory of those that are making it. It will take you to the factory. As you can see, these are factories. And there are a lot of things you also need to look out for before you go ahead and buy. Why this one is industrial items, industrial products, If you're If you're interested in industrial products, you go ahead and buy under this page. All right, so that is it. That is how it's very easy. That's how you download it. Very, very easy peasy. No stress. Okay.
So welcome back, guys. So having learned how to download the Sesame it seamlessly from your Play Store and from your Apple Store, whichever of the phones you're making use of, whether Android or iPhones. Okay. So I'm employing all every one of you. So please subscribe to the channel. You'll be getting value upon value from this channel. That I can assure you. Please like the video so that others can also, get to watch it. Like the video, make your comments, tell me which other subject you wanted to talk about on importation, and I'll do the research and come up with something good for us.